Crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and Happy New Year. This is Crafter's Companion box number 20, and you can see that right there. This is a layering stencil craft kit. Not thrilled. I was thinking of canceling it, but I didn't, and let me just show it to you. I mean, if you're all into layering and stencils, this is all about you, and you will love it. But me, not so much. I'm not a stencil gal. And so let me just show you what was in the kit. I didn't make cards because I just wasn't into it. I can't get excited about something I'm just not excited about. It came with tons of stencils, small stencils, 3 of those, the 3x3s, and then a 4x4s, you have 3 of those, and 5x5s, you have 3 of those. So they're layered stencils, so you have to, put in layer 1, color it, layer 2, color it, layer 3, you know how to do that. And then it came with stamps, which I'm always happy to get. So special day, just for you, smile, celebrate, etc. You also got some white ribbon in the 3 different sizes, only one in the 3 different sizes. You also got white beads, and they're are they flat back? Yes, they're flat back beads in different sizes. But all in white. And what's good about the white, and you also got white flowers, is that you can color them. And if you're into stenciling and you have either you're doing it with pens, markers, you're doing it with your inks, you do distress inks and things like that. I don't do any of that, but alcohol inks you can color your flat pack pearls. So if you're into that, you can color code it with everything that you have, including your the flowers and also your ribbon. So that's why it's all in white, I'm sure. I haven't seen any of I don't even know if there's any videos up about this collection, so I can't even tell you anything about it. Underneath here, let me just you do get the 3 different sizes in the watercolor paper, and you get several of those in each size. Then you also get your cardstock in all of these wonderful colors. And these are all 8x8s. Then you get, as usual, they're wonderful about putting in your envelopes and cards. So you have all the different sizes and all the different shapes, and you even have 8x8s. So that's really wonderful. I'm so appreciative about this because that you don't ever have to buy cards and envelopes ever again if you get these kits. So that's it. That's what it holds. And again, let me just show you. This is what it creates. These are the layered ones, and they're very cute. And I'm sure that there's lots of people out there who love to layer and stencil, but not my jam. So that's that for the Crafter's Companion box 20. And how appropriate, 2020 in just a few hours time, and this is box 20. It's just meant to be. Whatever. Anyway, I'll put this video out so you can take a look and see what it's all about. Okay? So I will talk to you later. Happy New Year! Woo!